Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I want to talk about how I made $24,400 for this brand on TikTok. Now, if you guys don't know, I help brands scale their businesses. We help them grow with media buying. We use all the machine learning platforms, Meta, Google, and TikTok, of course. And TikTok is actually the one that people sleep on the most. People don't want to go ahead and get started on TikTok. I don't know why. But it's actually one of the biggest opportunities, even still right now, especially because of TikTok Shop. So that's exactly how we did this. Is we actually spent $4,996 is what we spent here to do $24,415, which is almost a 5x return on ad spend in a single day. Now, the first thing that we did here, which is the first thing you should know, is that this obviously didn't happen overnight. We'd been running ads here for almost 3 months, actually 2 months. Yeah, basically 3 months. And we started out at very modest budgets of like 200 to 300 a day. And over time, we were able to scale it up as a team effort. So I don't want to take the entire credit here. Obviously, actually, this brand reached $1 million per month now. And that was their goal, which is amazing. Super grateful that I get to help businesses achieve their goals. I think it's like honestly such a fun business that we've built here, and community and just everything we got going on in this ecosystem is pretty dope. So I'm really happy that you guys are a part of it, and I hope that you're learning as much as possible and applying it to your business, truly. But they achieved that goal, and there's a lot of things that happen on a team level, right? So I'm in charge of the ads here with my team. We sift through all the creatives, everything that's happening in the business to launch the best possible ads. We segment everything by product. So each campaign is a separate product, which means we're running 3 different products. And that's another key, I guess, that you should write down is introducing new products is a great idea for your business if you want to not only increase your lifetime customer value, which is great, right? Because if you acquire one customer, now that customer has something else they can buy, which, if they like your business, you don't have to acquire that customer now, right? So if you introduce a new product and they buy it, that's like straight up profit for you in your pocket. And that's one thing that a lot of people don't understand entirely. Sorry, my throat hurts a little bit, but it's super important for you to know. If you want to be a high-level e-com store owner, that's going to be a major key. Really focus on your lifetime value, the lifetime value of each customer. So that's a major key. And again, we have 3 different products here. So, people are getting retargeted. People are getting introduced to new products when they join this community. And the other thing is the organic content for this brand is amazing. So that's the other major key. I would say most of you that are watching this, if you're just getting started in e-com, don't even try running ads for your products unless you actually already know how to run ads pretty well. Before posting your product on TikTok, like seriously, give it at least 2 weeks of consistently posting every single day, following some of the viral scripts that you see out there and stealing them for your product. Try doing that for 2 weeks with your product before you ever run ads. It's going to save you a ton of money. It's not going to save you time, obviously, but chances are you could use, the little bit of money that it saves you, or a lot of money actually. And also you're going to learn a little bit about how, posting content works, right? I'm no stranger to posting content. I've been posting content for myself since before TikTok was even a thing. So I understand the power of this and how much leverage it gives you. And also the fact that it's free to do makes it incredible, right? It's definitely an opportunity that I want you guys all to start taking part in, especially because let's say you really love my channel, right? Or let's say these results are impressive. I'm happy to provide services or whatever product we have for your community. So if you start posting whatever it is, you can literally promote our community and get paid to do so. But that's besides the point. You can apply that same logic to your product. So if you're building a product business with e-commerce, before you launch any ads, again, unless you already are really good with ads, then make sure you're posting that product. Another major key with that is that that's going to give you content to then launch with ads, which will make it all easier for you in the end, because that's what people struggle with, right? They want to launch a product, and I realize now just how difficult it actually is to pull off an e-commerce business as a complete beginner, because you need to know how to set up your landing page properly, how to pick the right product, how to price the right offer, how to create an ad that's really good, how to launch that ad with Meta. I mean, that's like 5 different things, right? Whereas just posting about your product is just so one-dimensional that I think it's easy and simple for somebody to stick to consistently. And that's why people find success with it. Now, those are the major keys. I mean, when it comes to the strategy behind this, it's not too complicated. We just, ran it pretty broad, and we tested a ton of content, and we also retargeted people who have engaged with the brand. So that's kind of the setup. And then again, we just really capitalize on the machine learning nature of TikTok. We try to have high budgets so that you exit learning phase. It's the same as Meta, actually. That's what's really cool about TikTok, is that it works almost exactly the same as Meta. Meta has a few more features that are a little more intricate, but at a foundational level, it works almost exactly the same. And yeah, that's kind of what it took here to do this. And we're doing this with some pretty incredible brands. The goal here is really to reach the top 100 brands on TikTok Shop. We already have a client in that roster. But yeah, I really want to work with the top 5 even, because I think we could provide a ton of value for them and help scale significantly. I know you see I got Andrew Tate's supplement brand here pulled up. I'm not going to show you it right now. I'm going to save it for a different video, but that's going to be pretty exciting. I know you guys like it when I talk about Andrew Tate. And he launched a supplement brand, and spoiler alert, it's actually pretty good. Like, it actually looks really clean. Like, he really produced a sick product here. Before I go, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. I'm posting a lot on there. And if you really want to do me a favor, follow me on LinkedIn and start engaging with my posts on there, because that's how I'm reaching some of these bigger brands. I actually haven't reached any bigger brand on LinkedIn yet, but I think I will, because we're doing pretty special things here, and I'm getting you guys to join the journey. I want to help you as much as possible, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.